Hello everyone, my name is Parth Sethi and I'm back with another choreography. It's the second part of our concept, Syllables and Sounds. This is the sounds part. The song is Whoopty by CJ, the instrumental version. And let's learn it. Let's get into it. Hello everyone. So let's begin with the choreography. Let me brief you a little about this one. This is majorly about sounds. The whole concept, as you know, is syllables and sounds. So this piece is actually all an instrumental piece, yeah, but the execution of it is super important, okay? So there are basses, there are snares, there's like a humming melody, yeah. So in this one we're going to be catching sounds and everything, and in the next one we're going to be focusing on syllables. Got it? All right, let's get into it. Make sure you're super warmed up and you have all the agility that you need for this choreography, and also a lot of patience because it's more syncopated. You know what syncopation is, right? So it's all like not in one single pattern. It's displaced with the music. Got it? Let's begin. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, you'll hear a sound A. Somebody shouting in the middle, A. Yeah? And you're doing actually nothing on A since it's a syllable. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. On 1, you're going to start exploring your left hand. Yeah? You're just going to like match it, and with your right, just trace the hand, trace the hand, trace the hand. Come up to your chest till wherever you can. If you want to stop at the shoulder, your choice. If you want to stop in the middle of your chest, your choice. If you want to stop a little here, completely on you. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, hold 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Until 7, wherever you've reached according to your own speed, we're going to catch 80 Anna. On 80 Anna, you have two things. Either you can give me a 80 Anna, or you can give me a 80 Anna. Yeah? You can initiate with your knee away from your hip to your chest, not till your head. Just till here, or just a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop on 7, just give me a 80 Anna. Whatever you want to choose. One more time. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 80 Anna. Yeah? Make sure as soon as you start 1, the speed of the right hand's glide on your left hand is equal to the speed of your knee straightening up. Yeah, you're coming up from the floor. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, coming up. 6, 7, 80 and then you're going to go around 1. You're going to continue the flow. 1, 2, 3, 4 around your neck to your shoulder. So basically you make a hole. You get inside it. It's called threading. We're not getting into it today. You go down, 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 back to your initial position. Yeah. So we did 80 Anna. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, there's a sound. It's like a wind blows in and the curtain goes. Yeah, that's more like a rhyme, but kind of that's sound. So you go 80 Anna, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to speed it up here, you can. 4, 5, 6, 7. You're already on the front leg a little bit. It takes your weight forward, and then left hand goes up, right hand goes down, like you want to clap it out, but no clap. Yeah, it's like some wind just separated both the hands. And you shift your weight on your right leg, your left leg comes on the heel. 8. From here, you're going to catch 1. 1 is a bass and you're going to pop your chest. Boom. Yeah? Don't give me a boom here. Don't give me a whoa. You're going to go boom. So it's like you're in the motion of the wind and you hit the wall. Boom. Yeah? Boom. And then after the wall, you're like, ow, I got hurt. So that's the feeling. Bass, 2, you're going to go 8, 1, 2, Your hands are going to go outside. You're going to look right. You're going to look left. It's like thunder. As soon as you hit the wall, boom, there's a, like in Stranger Things. Yeah. So like thunder here, thunder here. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 3, 4, I don't want you to look, give me a sharp look like a 3, 4. Give me a gesture like you're really hearing the thunder on the right and thunder on the left. So, and